Hi everyone, this is Sarah and I'm a fluid figurative artist. Glad you guys can make it and join me for another round of pour. So here I have a polar bear and as you can see everything is very symmetrical. Yeah, drawing is way easier than pouring, right? So here I'm just going to blow it up and blow it outwards. So I'm just showing you the direction of where I'm going to blow and let's just pour paste and see how it goes. If you're new to my channel, welcome and please help me to support my channel by hitting the subscription button. This will enable me to produce more videos for you guys for free. So thank you so much for your support and let's get pouring. So here I have metallic white and I'm just pouring at the part which I think will have the most highlight, and then I'll add on the middle tone and then the darker tone. So I've poured too much colors. It's supposed to be a polar bear and polar bears are simple creatures. I actually wanted to do a colorful polar bear, but yeah, I might have added a bit too much paint. But we'll see how it goes towards the end. So here I'll start by blowing up. Okay, I need some space, some paint to fill in between the gaps, otherwise the paint will flow. There we go, and let's get flowing. So you can see here that my prism violet is very watery. It's very runny, so it creates a lot of cells by itself. My paints I usually just mix with water. Actually, most of the time it's just mixed with water, nothing else. So if you want to create a lot of cells, make sure that you have a runny paint, and then you get to create many cells. Now I'm adding paint spray for the eyes. So one eye here, another eye there, and then a button nose. Use a color knife to just go around it. And there we have it. So you can't see a polar bear now because there's just too much paints and they're everywhere. So here I am trying to blow a shape out. And then see, when I torch it, there are just so many cells. That's because my prism violet is just too runny. So yeah, I'll just keep touching up till I get the right shape and form that I want. And happy watching, guys. I'll see you guys at the end of this video. If you watched to this far, congratulations and thank you for watching this far. Now, as you can see, I tried so many ways, but I just can't get the polar bear shape right. We have to understand that polar bears have sharp furs, and because of that, it's really hard to depict it in our pores unless we paint brush it. Yeah, I'm not going to use any brushes to paint, so I have to figure a way how to actually do a pore and to do a bear with a pore. So here I am doing a swipe technique because I find that doing the fur technique does not work, and here it looks like a monkey, a really weird monkey. But yep, I'm just gonna keep touching up until I get a polar bear. So as I said before, like the rabbit, it's really hard to pour simple forms of animals that have simple body shapes like bears, rabbits, or even those that do not really have much distinctive features in them. So yeah, it's really hard. But do you think I can turn this into a polar bear? Well, we're almost towards the end, so you get to see it soon. Now, if you've watched 2/3 of my video, congratulations and thank you. You've made it this far with me. So here I am. After many trials and errors, I finally get to see the shape of the polar bear's face. So I think it's quite an achievement. In the process, obviously all the beautiful colors are gone, but at least we retain the essence of the polar bear, and that is the most important thing in a pour. So not just the colors, not just anything else, but the features, especially in a figurative pour. So here I am trying to soften the feature of the polar bear. Okay, I'm almost done. Now, what do you think? Could I have done this better? And how would you have done this? Please don't let me know at the comment section, and I'll get back to you soon. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys again next week. Take care all. Bye.